Hi, Black men. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer, and I want to explain to you why establishing medical care now, having a primary care physician now, having a medical facility that you attend on a regular basis. And when I say regular, I'm talking once or twice every year, so you at least have your annual checkup performed, can make you, or at least keep you from losing money. One of the most difficult things I experience as an attorney that handles personal injury cases, car accidents, premises liability, like shootings at nightclubs, police brutality. One of the things that is the most difficult for me to determine is if my client has suffered a head injury. I don't know my client. What I use to make a determination if my client has suffered a concussion is, what do they do for their job? If I had one Black client who was an engineer for a weapons developer, and the way he was talking, I'm like, yeah, there's no way they would ever hire you to do that job. There's no way you could have graduated from college the way that you're talking. However, it becomes more difficult if the person is a laborer, if they work in the Amazon warehouse. And then I will know certain cultural things about how we as Black people, as Black men are, and I'll be like, okay, this person is concussed. I specifically look for concussions in clients, but that's because I am a Black lawyer who has done this for over a decade or two. On the flip side, your medical professional who's never met you is not going to know what your baseline is, right? When I get a call, this is the first time I'm usually interacting with that person ever. So I don't have a baseline of what they were like before the crash. On the flip side, if you establish medical care with a doctor, with a medical facility, they will be able to understand after you come in from a car accident. If they've seen you 2 or 3 times before, they'll be like, yeah, he's acting different. He's moving different. Something is wrong with him. Let's order up some tests to go see if he has a concussion. That is why it is so powerful and so important for us Black men to go get seen. I'm 50. I am not trying to say that I am better than thou because I am an attorney. I am telling you that I have an older brother. He is a medical doctor. He's one of the best doctors in Minnesota. And I think I got my blood tested for the first time in 15 years last week. I am 50. I was supposed to have a colonoscopy when I was 45. I'm having it this Friday. By the time that you watch this, I've already had my colonoscopy done. The reason I am doing all my medical procedures, and I'm doing them late in life, is because I don't want to sit here and tell Black men how to get down when I'm not doing it myself. So I am doing it myself. Because as a Black man, nobody is coming to save us. We can only save ourselves. No one is coming to save us. So we need to save ourselves. And I am here, and I'm going to say, go to the doctor. At my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win.